Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right index type and the exact columns to include. Explain why. Indexes speed lookups by ordering or mapping values, however they cost writes and space. Once you identify slow queries, profile them and target predicates used most often. Make sure to prefer high selectivity columns and consider composite indexes for multi-column filters. Begin now. Create a non-clustered index for reads first, then test query plans to confirm the optimizer uses it. You now create and tune the index with specific options. Use include columns to cover queries and prevent extra lookups. That reduces I/O and latency. Once done, set a sensible fill factor to balance page splits on write-heavy tables and consider filtered indexes where only a subset of rows matters. Make sure to update statistics after creation so the optimizer has accurate cardinality estimates. Test query plans again and compare execution times before moving to production. You finish by monitoring and maintaining indexes to keep performance steady. Review usage metrics and remove unused indexes to save write overhead. Automate statistic updates and schedule rebuilds or reorganizations based on fragmentation. Once maintained, if queries remain slow, make sure to investigate parameter sniffing and stale plan cache, and examine whether seeks turned into scans due to poor selectivity. A key troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, temporarily force the optimal plan and compare results while you refine indexes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.